How do we form the present continuous in French? Do not panic. It can be much easier than you think. In French, the present continuous can be expressed like the present simple. So if you say, I'm reading a book in French, it will be the same as I read a book. To begin, it is important to know the infinitive form of the verb. In other words, search for the verb in the raw state when it is not conjugated. In English, the infinitive is preceded by to.
But in French, it is noticeable at the end of the word.
For today's lesson, we will focus on verbs ending with ER. Let's use the verb enseigner. So how do we say I'm teaching or I teach? Remember that both are the same in French. J'enseigne, tu enseignes, il enseigne, elle enseigne, nous enseignons, vous enseignez, ils enseignent, elles enseignent. For any verb ending with ER, follow the same pattern. Remove the ending ER, then obey the following rule. If you find this lesson useful, kindly give us a like and subscribe for more.